Hey, Jake with B&H. Zhiyun Tech has just released a brand new gimbal for mirrorless camera systems, and it's called the Weebill 2. Considered to be the upgrade to the current Weebill S, the Weebill 2 comes with impressive upgrades inside and out that will make flying your new mirrorless camera easier and faster. Equipped with bigger and stronger motors, the Weebill 2 offers a larger payload of 7.3 pounds and features a revolutionary Infineon 2-filter vector splitting sensor that has completely upgraded the gimbal's core algorithm, which Zhiyun Tech has now stated offers the highest stability for mirrorless camera gimbal technology. But that's not all. It also offers a 2.88-inch touchscreen LCD, Smart Follow 3.0, gesture control, an ecosystem of pro-level accessories, a brand new fabric carry case for easy transport, and a brand new internal battery, so let's roll. The new Weebill 2 retains its ergonomic design and has a very robust frame made of aluminum alloy, giving it a weight of around 1,430 grams without the tripod. The new motor arms are slightly bigger than the Weebill S, but can now hold an impressive 7.3 pounds of camera weight. The motor lock switches are much sturdier than previous models and will have little to no movement when locked in place. All the buttons that used to be located on the bottom handle have been moved to a more ergonomic place so that your hand will not accidentally hit a button when you're flying your camera. As stated, the Weebill 2 is equipped with stronger and more reliable motors, which means even smoother shots with heavier loads than ever before on a Weebill. One of the most exciting features of the Weebill 2 has to be the introduction of the industry's largest built-in 2.88-inch full-color LCD flip-out touchscreen for gimbals. This screen fits snugly under the roll motor arm when not in use and then slides out quickly and easily when you're ready to shoot. It can fully rotate forward and backward and has a brand new UI design that allows you to adjust all the parametric settings of the gimbal and the camera, as well as set a time-lapse, motion-lapse, or panorama directly on the touchscreen without the need of the ZY app. This is great because this means you don't have to have your smartphone out every time you want to use the gimbal. This convenient touchscreen LCD can handle all the necessary tasks on the interface, which means I work that much faster. Users can also use the LCD as an external monitor as long as they have the Zhiyun Tech Transmitter AI. This professional accessory connects to the built-in slot below the camera on the gimbal itself. Now, once connected, it will allow the built-in LCD to be used as an external monitor, which is huge. You don't have to waste time and energy mounting cumbersome monitors or smartphones to the gimbal. The LCD is right there ready to go. This makes for a smaller profile and even more enjoyable shooting experience. The LCD, in tandem with the Transmitter AI accessory, allows users to activate Zhiyun Tech's Smart Follow 3.0 technology right on the gimbal itself, rather than relying on your smartphone and the ZY app. This is perfect for single shooters who don't have a separate camera operator to run the gimbal. Or you can use specific gestures to activate Smart Follow 3.0 hands-free. Say goodbye to the 18650 rechargeable batteries. The Weebill 2 has a built-in battery grip. Charged over a USB-C connection, this battery takes about 90 minutes to fully charge and will last up to 9 hours. But if you need more power, you can attach a USB power bank and simultaneously charge the internal battery and continue to use the gimbal at the same time. Zhiyun Tech, what took you so long? Now, I told you the Zhiyun Tech offers a great ecosystem of accessories, so let's go through the different bundles they offer and talk about the accessories of each. The standard bundle comes with the Weebill 2, 2 tripod mounts, and a storage box. The 2 tripods give you the option to attach 1 tripod to the underslung mount via the Q20 mount, which will do the trick for underslung mode, but it's not the most comfortable. The combo bundle includes the new fabric carry case and the sling grip handle, which is much more ergonomic than the tripod handle, and your wrist will probably thank you for it. Plus, the new fabric carry case makes packing and transporting your Weebill 2 stress-free. The gimbal can pack securely in the bottom section of the bag, while the top portion contains all your proprietary camera cables and miscellaneous tools and accessories for mounting your camera. A custom carry case keeps me sane because it keeps all the moving parts together, and thus I cannot recommend the case enough. If you need the custom carry case, the sling grip handle, and the Transmount Transmitter AI accessory that I mentioned earlier, then you want the Pro Bundle. This way you can use the 2.8-inch full-color LCD as a monitor, as well as SmartFollow 3.0 and gesture control technology. It will also transmit a 1080p 60 frames per second signal up to 150 meters away to 3 separate devices, including iPads, that are using the ZY Play app. This is a great accessory for filmmakers who work with directors and/or producers who want to see the image-making process from the comfort of Video Village. The last accessory in the bundle is the Transmount Zoom Focus Control Motor. This comes with the rail, the motor, and the gear ring that is attached to your lens. Once connected, you can turn the built-in focus wheel on the gimbal itself to wirelessly pull focus or zoom your chosen lens. And finally, the Pro Plus bundle gives you everything that was just mentioned, along with their brand new Master Eye VC100. This is a 5.5-inch 1920 by 1080 external monitor with 400 ppi and 1000 nit brightness. It has a built-in receiver to take the signal from the transmitter AI and provides camera control, focus, zoom control, and gimbal control. This tool helps divide the work for those complicated moving shots. One person can be flying the gimbal while the second person can operate the camera. And there you have it, another fantastic gimbal option from Zhiyun Tech, the Weebill 2. There's no doubt in my mind that the addition of a larger flip-out full-color LCD, a built-in rechargeable battery, and an increased payload with the highest level of stability for mirrorless cameras will make a significant difference for any filmmaker looking for their first gimbal system or upgrading their current gimbal system. But what do you think? What would you create with the new Weebill 2? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.